So guys, we are not on our own today. We have got with us a load more people. People come up from the Norfolk group, which we've been talking to. Great fun. An assortment of cars. We brought along XRT, Sledge, X-Maxx, plenty of X-Maxes here. There's some Creightons here. And of course we've got our lovely track. And there's people jumping. I know we don't normally jump, but there are people here jumping today. So, different video to normal. At the moment. I'm going to get the drone up, you're not going to carry on. Yeah, right, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no.
Oh, what we
yes.
did that
I'll take that.
Here we go, understeer city. Yeah, no, you come so near
to me,
Matt.
If I was you, I can see that getting painful.
Hit the cone.
Oh,
you
no.
got the cone as well.
Whoa, where am I going? That's that wide old line.
I'm nearly in the place. Couldn't even see my car. Whoa! That was close. Oh, understeer. Oh, that's nice drift. Oh, hello. Try and run myself over. I lost my car in the dust. Back 3, 2, 1, go! Big carnage, that's the first corner.
Wow,
Everyone went wide.
Crazy line.
Oh, nice line from you. Dust. Can't see the track for the dust. Oh, I'm not used to driving for this. Oh, that's nice. Oh, nearly. Oh, he couldn't over me. Probably my fault. Oh, hey, pause.
I can see. Pause. Ready, boys? 3, go.
There we go. New driving position. Oh, I'm on the wrong side of the car.
I'm scared of. I wouldn't stop in the middle of a straight, that could get expensive.
See.
Oh my god, is that the widest line I've ever done? What the hell?
I'm sorry. I'm nearly in the lake. Oh, this is awful. I don't know where everyone is.
Sorry. I don't get my theory straight.
Right, you ready?
Hold on,
3,
I'm going.
2, 1, go! Oh, the 110 buggy. What? Where? Oh, not used to. Oh, pause.
Pause.
Damn it.
That you again?
Yes.
Maybe you should try driving here, practicing something, you know. Get used to the track.
I'm used to driving things that don't fall over like that. Right, go. Oh, sorry. Drive over someone. Oh, cone's gone from there. I think there's an accident on the straight, was there?
Oh god.
It's always as far away as possible when you crash.
Walk of shame, I call that. Yeah.
If I book in. Ready?
Yep, go.
Oh, I'll try and get around that corner. Come on, turn in, turn in. Stunt rock. Oh, I actually can't see the truck up there. Oh well. I don't know if that's got left. Oh, understeer, understeer. I'll go for it. No one to see. Too many cars for anyone to see.
There's no cones left in the middle. That's it. Finish over here. Well,
there we go. That's the end. 2, 1, go. Of course, we've got to make sure we don't. Oh. Wait, there's a corner here. Slow. Whoa! Pause! Right, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Pause! There's a bit daunting, all coming towards you. Oh, gone the wrong way. Down the straight. What's going on down here?
Oh my god, it was the wrong way. I got to the hairpin, there was...
Go! Got the cones. Oh, wide there. Well, oh!
He's here again.
Someone was the wrong way. Right, dust everywhere, cones everywhere. Inside line. Oh! Saw someone barrel rolling out of the way.
Navigating the traffic. Go for it.
3, 2, 1, go! Carnage down here. Where's the cut? Can't even see my truck. Oh, oh, oh!
I think you better just let them all go to the first. Well, that's what I did. I just ease up there and just see what happens.
We ready? Go! Oh, they're all going to cut inside me here, aren't they? Oh! First to lock. Pause! Pause! Going! Go! Right, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go! God, we're all very behaved that time, weren't we?
Perfect. See you, boys. Don't want to be in the myself.
Oh. Yeah, can't see the truck. Yeah, one.
We've even got some stuff here, up on the footpath.
Oh, spun out on the straight. Yeah, I need some TSM on this. Oh, he's stuck.
That was classic.
I got reverse! Come on, reverse! Oh wait, we're not. Oh no, we're not now. Two, one, go! Oh, are we tumbled? No, we're okay.
X-Maxx racing, let's go.
Oh, no, we're good. Driving over everyone. One more lap. Car on the straight. Go on. both went the wrong side of that cone. 2, 1, go! Oh. Ready? Yep. Go. Oh. Oh, car on the straight.
Whoa, whoa.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Oh. I know. Oh, oh, that's a bouncy one.
I'm trying to take just ahead of you guys.